It's probably was not such a tough call to make. Once Beeper Mini stopped working, delivering iMessages to Android handset, it was obvious that Apple had done something to do with the sudden and quick disabling of Beeper Mini. In a statement, Apple senior PR manager Nadine let the blue bubble cat out of the bag as Apple admitted it pulled the plug to protect iPhone users. The statement said, at Apple, we build our products and services with industry leading privacy and security technologies designed to give user control of the data and keep personal information safe. We took steps to protect our consumers by blocking techniques that exploit fake credentials in order to gain access to iMessage. These techniques pose significant risk to user security and privacy, including the potential for metadata exposure and enabling unwanted messages, spams, and phishing attacks. Previous attempts to run iMessage over an Android device forced you to use an Apple ID to sign into a remote Mac. With Beeper Mini, you could connect directly to Apple services. There was no middleman and no third-party service involved. Beeper Mini works by sending your message directly through Apple to the recipient and back through your Android phone as an iPhone. No relay is required. There was no signing into Mac using an Apple ID. But now it seems Beeper says that no one can read messages sent to you, keeping your privacy intact. Although this is not verified by Apple, and the company is concerned about your privacy and privacy of those who are chatting with.